Alright guys, how's everybody doing? My name is Eli. In today's video I want to talk about, should I be buying Coinbase? Well, I've received a lot of texts, people telling me, hey, am I interested in buying Coinbase? Will I be buying Coinbase? And to be honest with you, I did not hop in a Coinbase IPO train. And I'm going to actually tell you what would have to happen for me to actually consider. Don't get me wrong, I have been considering buying Coinbase, but I want to go into details on what would have to happen for me to start buying Coinbase. And we're starting now. If you guys are brand new to the channel and you guys like to talk about personal finance and mindset, make sure you guys support the channel by hitting that thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel, and make sure you guys check out some of the free resources that we do have available to you guys down in the description below. So let's get straight into it. Now, as far as Coinbase, I think it IPO'd, like, I'll say maybe Thursday, I want to say, I'm not too sure. I was keeping tracks on it, but right now the price of Coinbase is around $342. Let me switch the screen right here so you guys can see the iPad. It's around $342 right now. Now, when it first IPO'd, we seen it go from $250, and that's before anybody can buy it. And I was watching it, and then as soon as it went up, as soon as it was available for everybody to buy it, it went up to like 350, 300, oh, actually 400. I think the highest was 420, and everybody was making money. And even I was like, oh man, maybe I should have bought it. I mean, come on, look at that. But then I said, hey, you know what, let me just be patient so I can see, because everybody's just rushing into it. I'm like, you know what, let me just calm my horses and let's see what's going on. And then we see it go down and down and down, right back to the 300s, go below, and a lot of people lost money. Now, for me, I'm looking at this and I had to, do some research. I told my friend, hey, I actually want to do a little bit more research on Coinbase. All right. So if you guys are interested on Coinbase as well, I did create a review video. So make sure I'm going to link it up here or check down the description below if you guys want to see the full review of Coinbase that I did. Right. So looking at it, Coinbase PE ratio, forward PE ratio right now is around 42.22. when the market's average is around 25 to 30. So it's way above. But one thing I do like about Coinbase is right now it is actually profitable. All right. Coinbase do show a profit right now. And you're looking at other companies. Let's talk about Tesla, right? Everybody knows about Tesla. But at the first 8 years, they were unprofitable. Now, Coinbase came in the whole market already profitable, which is a plus for them. But, of course, the forward PE ratio, it's a bit too high. But you really can't value stocks like this, like how you really would value other stocks, all right? So, having Coinbase, I see, is like having a crypto ETF. There's no ETF for crypto right about now. So actually buying a stock like Coinbase is sort of like having a crypto ETF where you get to have your hand in all the different cryptos by just buying Coinbase. If you don't want to directly invest into cryptos, you can actually just invest in the Coinbase, and then hey, it's like having your hands in all the pots, right? So, but one thing at the same time, when you look at it, as Coinbase actually trades 50%. 50% of the trades on Coinbase is around like what, Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? That's 50%. They make up 50% of the trade that's actually traded on Coinbase, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, one thing that concerns me is if crypto crashes, Coinbase stock will go down, right? I do believe so. If even though the underlying value of the company, it should still be there because they should still be making money. But people will look at that and be like, oh no, crypto's going down. So hey, Coinbase is all about crypto. Let's sell our crypto. Let's sell off Coinbase. And that will cause a whole domino effect if the stock keeps going down, right? Okay. So one thing I like to look at as well is Bitcoin hit $1 trillion in just 10 years. Now, if you look at any other assets, which asset do you know actually hit 1 trillion in just 10 years? Apple, which was around what, 1970 or 1980? I'm not too sure. But it just reached the 1 trillion in 2018, 19. Granted, it did reach another trillion. It hit 2 trillion by the time, like within 2 years. Like I think 2020 or 2019, it hit 2 trillion. So yeah, but to hit $1 trillion mark, Bitcoin is the only asset that I know of that actually did that within 10 years. So it has that going for it. But something like that, I do, like I said before, you can't value a stock like Coinbase the way you value other stocks. You really can't do that. All right, you have to look at the crypto market. Like, you can't look at this like, oh yeah, man, Apple's producing this much iPhones and they're doing this, and you really can't value Coinbase like that. All right. Now, one thing I do want to mention is, well, if crypto crashed, the stock will go down and the reputation of Coinbase will be trash. And because of this, because their value, if a lot of analysts is going to value Coinbase the way they value a different stock, another stock. But you really can't do that with this stock. I'm explaining. If crypto crashes, they're going to talk about Coinbase. Oh, Coinbase is a trash stock. It was too overvalued and now it's fair value, blah, blah, blah. Reason being is because if you're buying crypto, if you're buying Bitcoin and it's expense like 60,000, the fee that Coinbase actually charges you is going to go down with it. So instead of being 0.05, it may be a 0.03 if you're buying from Bitcoin on Coinbase. Right? But an analyst is going to look at it, oh man, this stock sucks, this stock is this, it's not doing this, Bitcoin is too closely tied to crypto, and if crypto goes down, the value of this stock goes down. Now, that's what I'm actually hoping for. All right. Now, this is all in my opinion, and I do want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that any financial decision that you guys should make, you guys should definitely do your own research. This is just my opinion, and I'm letting you guys know what I'll do in my opinion. All right. So if that does happen, a lot of people start trashing Bitcoin, Coinbase, and they're like, "Oh yeah, the stock sucks and this and that," and it goes down, which can possibly happen. I mean, we've seen crypto go from 20,000 all the way down to $3,000, right? Now imagine if Coinbase was around actually a public company around that time. How do you think the stock would react? Now, would it have been a good decision? Would you have regret that decision when the crypto crashed and Bitcoin crashed and Ethereum crashed and all the other cryptos that crashed with it and Coinbase went down as far as the stock value? Would it be a smart decision to buy, right, around that time? Especially knowing that, hey, after the whole crash, we seen crypto just skyrocket after that, which of course turns into Coinbase skyrocketing as well. So would it have been a mistake? Would you have regret in buying shares if it was a public company around that time when crypto did crash around 2017, right? You probably would have made some good money doing that. Just speaking. So once that happened, I think that would be my time. That would be my time. Right now, we all see everybody's into crypto. I want for me to start buying Coinbase. I do want to buy Coinbase. I do like it, the research I've done on it. I do like it, and I see some great potential. But what I'm saying is I do feel like the stock price is a little bit too heavy for me right now. It is trading at a heavy premium. And if we do see crypto crash, first of all, I do want to say I do believe in 5 years, I do believe the stock will be higher. 5 to 10 years, the stock can be higher than what it is right now. I don't see nothing wrong with Coinbase being at over $1,000. I'm just saying, if we see another crash, let's say everybody's focusing on crypto, everybody's focusing on Bitcoin, everybody's focusing on Ethereum. Now, let's say crypto or Bitcoin goes from 60,000 all the way down to 20,000. What price would Coinbase be at that time? Would it be under 100? If so, that'd be a great price. Even if it's under 200. This is where I would like to buy shares. If everything I just said above prior plays out, this would be a perfect time that I see that I would buy. Because I do believe in crypto. I do believe crypto has a future. But a minor crash or a flash crash can happen. And if that does happen, it may be a great opportunity to just buy and wait for the next crypto run. And that's just my thoughts. I want to know what you guys think about crypto. Comment down below. Let me know. And like I said, if this is your first time watching, it really helps out the channel if you guys hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also check out some of the free resources that we do have available to you guys down in the description below. And probably get some free crypto by going to Coinbase down there as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.